Says, previously you've suggested interviewing with employers even if you're content with your current job. I agree and I desire to, but I'm unable to make the first step. How far do you go with each employer? If you decline a position you know you won't take if offered. The thing is, you have to be right up front about, I would take the position at this dollar amount. I would take the position at this dollar amount. There's a great theory called the principle of least regret. You don't want to regret when they ask you to name a number. You don't want to regret it if they say yes. You don't want to regret it if they say no. Obviously, if you're happy with your current job and you go interview and they offer you the same dollar amount or you name the same dollar amount, you're going to be miserable if they say yes, because things could be worse over there instead of better. But if you name a significantly higher amount and you go, oh, I would leave my company for that, then that's how that works. The salary negotiations often don't happen until the very end of the interview process when everybody's on the same page. If recruiters ask you for salary expectations along with your resume, just say, I'm currently employed happily. I'm not allowed to discuss my salary. However, I will tell you that I would be happy to leave for X amount, whatever X amount is. Then that way, the other thing that's nice about this is that I've actually had an instance where I was telling a recruiter, I am happily employed, but if you find me a position for X, I will leave. My boss found out about that. And my boss, I was lucky I had a really good boss perhaps, but my boss saw that number and he's like, yeah, if they offer you that, you should leave because I can't match that. But even if you do, even if you get that offer, at least I can go to my managers and say, Brent got an offer at this amount. Can we try to match him? And it's a great way to make jumps in your career.